because we believe everything and we were sorry. It's as if every Good Friday it was actual crucifixion. If they make up fire and it burn you, that never better till judgment comes.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just had a fascinating meetup discussion with Miss Rose, Miss Gloria, and the rest of the team here talking about Jamaica Easter traditions. Hey baby, you know, it was absolutely fun. We talk about everything Easter. We talk about, you know, what we do on Easter Sunday, on Good Friday, the purpose of the bun and cheese, and just chit-chatting about some good old time Jamaica, you know. Of course, we had bun and cheese to close it off. And I'm going to share that with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, though, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of these videos capturing what I call real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. So this is the beautiful home of Miss Rose. We're going in, guys, and I'm gonna be talking to her and her friend about Easter. Easter. That's Miss Gloria. Hi, Miss Gloria.
Good afternoon.
And this is Miss Rose.
How are you?
Beautiful home. Thank you for welcoming us, having us in your home, Miss Rose. Guys, you remember her from the video about, what was the video again about Miss Rose?
Unsung Heroes.
Unsung Hero, yes. Unsung Hero. The link in the description. That's Miss Rose. She's going to talk to us about Easter, Jamaican Easter time. And we're not going to delay. We're just going to jump right into it. Miss Rose, just first of all, tell my people, tell my viewers a little bit about who you are, Miss Rose.
Well, I am a retired teacher, you know. And this is Brighton, where I live. I'm married, so my surname is now Powell.
Congratulations again.
Thank you. 10 years, 11 years ago. Yes. And I am involved a lot in church and at home. Yes. Well, my husband, he lives in Santa Cruz. I live here, but we share. He goes and I go and we come. Right, so there are times when he's not here, and there are times when I'm not here either. I am with him. And then we share like that. All
right, wonderful. So that's Miss Rose, guys, and Miss Rose was so kind to invite her friend here, Miss Gloria. Miss Gloria, how you do?
Again. I am not too bad at all.
Okay, now you're my friend of Miss Rose.
Yes, Miss Rose.
And you guys are, you ladies, sorry, are friends. You're not very old, but you're old enough to know enough about Jamaican Easter traditions, right?
Okay. Yes, okay. Yes.
Good, right? Both of you?
Okay. Yes, yes. And as a matter of fact, we have passed what the Bible really said. We are living by reason of strength now, so people need to
work out that. What do you mean by, oh, they need to work it out.
Yes, we are living by reason of strength.
Okay.
Yes, by age, you know.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, so let me ask you guys. I have a couple of questions I wanted to ask you, my viewers. Wanted to find out. A lot of persons viewing from the US in particular and Canada. Really? I want to know about the culture and history. Yeah, the culture and traditions of Jamaica. And I say, you first were the perfect person. You know, because you have the knowledge, you have the energy, and have the enthusiasm and everything to share real Jamaica. By the way, I love the dress as well.
Oh, right, thank you.
All right. So so for the benefit of persons who don't know, I would want to know, how does Jamaican celebrate Easter from typically?
Well, it starts officially from Ash Wednesday, where we start the season of Lent, and it goes on to Easter Sunday. But during the season of Lent, we normally not eat a lot of meat, and we go on fish and vegetables. I like my vegetables and fruits and everything that you can get to eat that is good, that is not meat.
Okay.
So at home we would do, especially when I was a young person. My parents, they used to do roast pig.
Roast pig.
Yes. And even for weddings too, they used to. But Easter time, man, people used to love married when it comes to Easter time. So they would order their roast pig and roast chicken and roast duck. We used to raise all those ducks and turkeys and all kind of things. Even chickens we used to roast in the brick oven. Right. My father now, he was a baker too. So he would bake buns. Right. And he show around
Easter bun?
Easter buns. So those who have money to buy, they would buy, and those who don't have any money, he would give them.
Oh, nice.
Right, yes, but they would have to provide the cheese. Yes. And there are so many other things that I can remember that was done in Easter. Like at school, we do merry-go-round and maypole dance and all of those
That's before you close out for the break, right?
Right.
Yes,
That's during the season.
Yeah.
Good Friday now. That's the holy day.
Yeah. Which is like 40 days from Ash Wednesday, right?
Well, yes, but now that I am older, I'm checking it out. Sometimes it's not 40.
It's not 40. I know. But
right.
Yes.
But you know, we
in
accept.
that range. Yes, it's in that range.
Right.
Yeah.
And so when it comes to Holy Thursday, our parents would bake the buns and get all kind of different things like cheese. My mother used to go to the market and she would buy fish, sprat, and she used to make up the bummy and so forth.
Yeah.
And man, you see, when like in the evening, she would distribute all of those, to people in the community and far out.
The bummy and the fish?
Yes.
The sprat and the...
That's and the bummy and so forth and ginger beer. She was a good maker of ginger beer, and I happen to be able to make ginger beer too.
Oh,
yes, man.
I wonder if you have no ginger beer. You don't have no ginger beer.
Because the time don't come yet.
All right, no problem.
So the ginger beer, but when the time comes, when I make it, you're gonna get it.
All right, guys, we're gonna come back for her old time Jamaican ginger beer drink. Right, you're gonna make it for us. Give her a thumbs up right now because I'm sure you're learning a lot from Miss Joy. Yeah, sorry to interrupt, but go ahead, man. So your mother used to give you the ginger beer.
Right, and take it around to the persons in the community. Then you see, Good Friday morning, we get up and we would have our breakfast. No fire makeup. No fire at all, no stove light nor anything. Because what my mother used to say, maybe to scare us, that if they make up fire and it burn you, that never better till judgment comes.
So hold on a second, Mr. Rose. So you don't cook. You don't cook in the morning.
No, because we prepare that from the day
from the night before. Oh, okay. Right. Which is Holy Thursday.
Right. Yes, Holy Thursday was the day when all of these things, corn pone, potato pudding, ginger beer,
all of the work.
All of those, because remember now, in those days, we used to eat a lot, especially. Yes, man. Quite often.
Yeah.
And so when it reaches like 8 o'clock, we would burst eggs and we would put it in water.
That's Good Friday morning.
Yes.
We're talking about that earlier, and the younger ladies, Ver and Cher in the background, guys. They're in the background there, they're laughing because they're saying that sounds weird, but that was actually a tradition.
Well, yes, people just do those things because it comes up from
other
the
generations,
earliest forefathers and mothers and so forth.
So the birthday egg, I want to ask you before you tell me what the purpose of that.
Right.
I'm going to ask you, did you believe it?
I believed it that time.
Okay.
But you don't believe
it.
But you see, anything you don't do that you other people say they do, you just feel guilty, especially if not even your fingernail, you couldn't cut it on Good Friday.
Yeah.
Because they are telling you that what is going to happen to you, some things that would happen if you ever clip your finger nail when Good Friday comes. and it get caught.
Yeah.
Them said that won't better
Nah,
until
better.
judgment come. You don't want one sore finger serve you till judgment come. You don't know.
All right, hold on. Let me hear from Miss Gloria about the egg. Miss Gloria, you didn't know about the egg?
Yes, my dear.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Tell me about the Easter egg.
The Easter egg now.
Yeah.
You get up in the morning, early in the morning, before the sun came up.
Uh-huh.
And so you burst egg, but you think is the white you do.
Oh, that's the egg white?
Into a glass.
Uh-huh.
Plain glass.
Uh-huh.
You put it onto a tank or a table.
Mm-hmm.
Some people would say that sometimes them see coffin, sometimes they see plane, sometimes they see ship. You're going to go on ship, or you're going to die, or you're going to go on the plane. And so, as that you come up and the seed come up into the glass. And
So have you ever done it? Miss Gloria?
yes, I have it. I've done it.
You did it.
Yeah.
You burst the egg Easter morning by 8 o'clock before the sun come up.
I do it before it. Around before 6 o'clock.
Oh, before
Before the sun come up.
Yes, and you burst it with rainwater. Oh, you don't put the rainwater?
Yeah, water. You put
Rainwater.
it in the water.
Or tank water?
Any water.
Any
okay.
water.
But it's the white. It's the
The
white.
egg white, and you pour the egg white into the water
yes.
before the sun come up.
Yes.
And then by about noon,
Before well, say noon.
yeah, you go back and look through the white, the
Yes.
clear glass,
Okay.
and you will see images
Yes.
of what your future.
Yes. Yes.
What is in your What is in your future? I'm breaking it down for you guys online. I'm breaking it down. It's images of what is in your future.
Okay.
And typically, is what is you see?
I see.
No, not what people usually see.
Then say if you see casket to go and died.
Uh-huh.
If you see plane, you're going to go away.
Yeah.
And if you see ship,
Yeah.
you're going to go away too.
Yeah.
So
All right. What did you see? How many times you do it? You remember how many?
you know, say around 2 times we do it.
Uh-huh.
2 times.
I
2
remember.
times I did it as a ship.
The ship.
Yes. So, you
Both
know,
times is the ship.
Both times.
So have you been on?
It's been a long time I haven't done it.
Okay, but so you did you go on the ship?
No, I didn't. It's a phrase. It's a phrase.
All right, so let me hear from Miss Rose. Let me hear from Miss Rose. What have you done it, Miss Rose?
Well,
Have you ever done it?
not actually, but I watch people do it because I was the kind of skeptical person, you know.
You don't believe everything.
I don't believe things, but I will watch people do it, and I will even tell them to do it too.
Yeah.
But when they do it and they see ring, they say they are going to get married. And all know me not see some of those people get married. So these are just traditions.
These
But
are the,
there is the physic not tree now.
all right, hold on. Before you reach the physics not true, I want to make a personal testament because let me tell you, I when I was growing up, and I'm not quite as mature as you ladies, but I'm getting there. I remember they said that, you know, and guys are hearing this for the first time. I remember they said the same thing when I was in the country there in Westmoreland. My aunt, her name was Nellie. Oh, my auntie Nellie what again? I don't remember her name, you know, but my aunt was Nellie. I don't remember her last name. But anyway, my aunt Nellie, she did it. And I remember they called people to show what was this, what do you call it now, the symbol or whatever gonna happen. And you know what showed up there was a casket.
My God.
It was a casket? Yes, and well, suffice to say, my aunt died. Yes. Well, no, I don't know. No, and when that happened, she didn't die immediately after. But she died, you would say she died young because at that time I think she was in her 30s, late 30s, early 40s. You know, after that, you know, correct me guys, some family members if you're watching here, correct me. But I said I was young at the time. I think I might have been about 7 or 8. You know? So I don't know if it was people influenced say that is a casket. Because they showed me the casket and it looked like a casket from my innocent memory. So I don't know if it was really a casket and I saw a casket. But when they said that, it looked like a casket for true.
Well, yes.
And then, but besides say, she died, you know?
Right.
So it makes you start to wonder now if some of these things are really true.
You see what you're looking for.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
like people looking for Duppy and they don't want to see Duppy.
I want, guys, do you agree, guys, late on watching here, do you agree with Miss Rose? You think she's talking, or you believe what she's saying, or you believe that it's true? Let me hear Let me hear drop a comment down below. But Miss Rose, tell me about the physic nut tree now.
Oh yes, it's a tree you see that has stain, something looking like milk all the time. But when it comes to Good Friday now, they say if you cut it, like chop it, 12 o'clock, you will see the stain is not white. It is looking like blood.
Like red.
Right, has a red color. I did it. But
You did that?
I am a kind of Thomas, you know, when it comes. I do things to prove to people that they are either right or wrong.
Yeah.
So I say I have to do it.
You're a scientist.
Yes, man. I have to do it and see whether it is blood, yes or no.
Yeah.
And I did it.
Yeah.
And look here, man, me never see no blood. Other people say them see blood. And I say, well, that's what they see. You see what you're looking for.
You see what you're looking for.
But you know, those things.
Yeah.
I had an inquiring mind from early
Yes.
days. So I check out things even after. I will go and check out things and say, no, sir.
Not really,
No,
old time tradition.
But that,
Old
you
belief
just do
system.
it with the others because
let me hear from Miss Gloria. Did you cut the physic nut tree?
Well, my dear, I heard about it, but I did not.
You never do that?
No.
You know nobody who do it and say them say blood?
No.
You know.
I heard that people talk it, but I didn't really hear it from their mouth. People hear it and, gospel spread. They said that, but I did not.
You yourself don't remember the physic nut tree?
I did not do it. Because I did not live beside it, because maybe I would try it.
All right, so guys, I have my friend here, Keisha. Keisha accompanied me here. I cannot do an interview with her like this without her because she has a lot of knowledge and history of these things. I'm joking, but I want to ask my friend, do you know the physic nut tree? I remember a tree.
Yeah.
You know it?
Yeah.
So how many know it and me and you see me age group, Keisha? How come?
I don't know.
I remember,
it was like, come on.
I remember they said a tree and it was more like one of them.
We had a name for it. I didn't think we called it physics, that we called it Spanish machete or something.
Oh yes, Panama shit.
Panama shit.
Oh, I remember now. Yeah, because I remember there was a tree, but I didn't remember it says Panama shit.
Right.
I'm glad I bring it into the video.
That's the one.
Give Keisha a thumbs up, guys. Panama shit. Panama shit. But says the same tree.
The one that I call Panama shade is birch. They call it birch water. The little thing that is on it, like attached to the tree, that would be the handle of the machete. And then the other part is kind of red.
shape and have a curve like
Well,
a sickle.
it's not physical, no.
Oh, it's two different trees.
Birch water, they call it,
so
but it's birch.
You know what what I'm learning now? So it's two different trees now. But I am familiar with the Panama shade, as Keisha mentioned. I'm glad we come from the same community, guys. But you ladies here in St. Elizabeth is familiar with the physic nut tree. Interesting. Anything else in relation to the Easter holiday in terms of how we celebrate it, Miss Joy? You want to mention?
Chicken weed.
Chicken weed, I don't remember.
Broom, they use it to sweep yard.
Yes.
Right, they always say that if you go there 12 o'clock and you pull it up, you will see coal. Not the fire coal, no.
I remember something vaguely like that too.
Yes. But why me don't know yourself? It look as if I had
Well,
bad
let me hear
luck.
from Miss Gloria. Maybe you probably just had bad luck. Yes. Have you done that, Miss Gloria?
You know, my dear, Miss Rose is a younger woman for me, but you know what? I did not know that one, The more you live, the more you
All
learn.
right. Well, let me hear. Okay, good. Well, I'm learning. We're learning. Guys, you're learning too. Give us some thumbs up. Is there anything else that you know, Miss Gloria, in relation to celebrating the Easter in Jamaica?
Well, I should talk about this tree with the Panama shade. It's red. I always see, but I don't even know what it means. I always see it.
Yes.
With it like a machete.
Yes,
something
man.
like.
Yes.
But she younger than me and she know more me.
Yeah, man. She know.
Just about that.
It is so good.
Yes. But what else though, in terms of from your youthful days growing up? You remember anything else you do on Easter?
Well, as I talk about that, I growing up, Easter time you go to church and like 12 o'clock. No, you go to church 10 o'clock. Church was supposed to 1 o'clock. And then you look about your breakfast in the early morning. And then fire close around 9 o'clock.
So this is Easter Sunday now.
Um,
Or Friday.
Good Friday.
Oh, Friday, yeah.
Easter it close, and so you go to church and you come back. Church close, so 1 o'clock close. Church close. So when you come at your home, you cook your dinner because they say, remember, from as a little child growing in Montego Bay, and my mother always told me, you don't catch up fire on that day because destruction will take you.
Yeah.
So we
Bad
have
luck,
to we have to obey and
So
understand.
after you leave church, you come home,
Right, and so my mother always do bake corn pudding. Corn pudding.
Good old corn pudding.
Yes.
Who remember the corn pudding?
God,
Tell
man.
me.
And then now she always buy some little fish
Yeah.
and we do bammy.
The same sprat.
Sprat.
Yes.
Fry it and sometimes teeth it out and we go put it on the actual bottom.
Canfish and good for the soul. Canfish and good for the soul.
But you know, thank God for her mother.
Yeah.
She died long time. She was around some 14 years she died now or so. And you know, thank God for your parents. That they teaches you and that's how it go on and on. And these young people don't really know about these things. Some of them might know and some don't know. But you have to teach your children.
I know we used to swear that we could see blood on the ground during Lent.
Okay.
So my brother, my little brother and I, we used to like walk to the community and at particular trees, like the same tree there we're talking about, the physics, whatever. And we would swear that there was blood on the ground and we could see it on the stones and whatever. And we swear that it was Jesus bleeding.
Yes.
Yeah.
Many people.
Oh, I must add too that from my, because of course, guys, you know, I'm right from here. I'm Jamaican, so I can speak a little bit about it. But I wanted to hear from these elders, these senior people. But I know too, I want to add, for even one piece that we religiously watch the crucifixion every Friday. Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Right.
Going on
There's the JBC TVJ now, but
Right.
JBC or what's the name again?
Yeah.
What's the name before JBC?
JVC.
Oh,
Was it always
JBC. Okay.
Yes, JBC.
And we watch a Good Friday. The crucifixion.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I see my grandmother cry because of that.
I cried too.
You did?
Yes, I
And
did.
you would listen to
I did.
Black Handers Messiah on the radio.
Not easy, man.
Yeah.
Right.
That's
but
the video showing the
one,
crucifixion.
The Good Friday
Not
crucifixion.
So after church you watch, after we come from church you watch it or before?
Well, and if we don't go to church, we would watch it too. Right. That day is such a sacred day that you would never believe. It's as if we were forced to be Christian for the day.
Yeah.
Yes, because we believe everything and we were sorry.
Yeah.
It's as if every Good Friday it was actual crucifixion. It's as if they force us to believe that Jesus would be crucified
Again.
on that day.
Again.
And because
Yeah.
it wasn't any anniversary or anything to us, you know.
Yeah.
He was being crucified
at the same time, at that-
on every Good Friday.
Oh. It's not just remembering that.
behind what happened.
Yeah. Understand.
Yes, but you see, like the Sunday now.
Well, just before you reach the Sunday, actually, so that's the Easter in general. We celebrate the Easter because I want to ask you about how we celebrate the Good Friday, but I'm gonna ask about what we do on Easter Sunday. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. So
Easter
is there
Sunday?
anything else we do to celebrate? So that's Good Friday for the most part. Is there anything else that we normally do on Good Friday? You remember? That's pretty
Well,
much it.
there was this gentleman in the community. He used to make ice cream. You know, when you put it in the bucket and the ice and whatever they put to make the ice cream, and then you would spin it around and you stay there and they spin it around until it becomes creamy. And they have cones or they had some little paper cups, form like cones, and they would put the ice cream in there and sell us. So that was the little freedom time, the little recreation that we got on Good Friday.
Okay.
But that would be after 3 o'clock.
Okay, after 3.
Yes.
Saturday.
So
That-
it's like they pay us now to stay inside and keep ourselves quiet.
Like ice cream.
Yes.
You sound like you're like a rebel, you know, miss. Yes, sir.
you
I
never
must say it, you know.
believe.
I must say it, you know, man. Guys, what you believe? What you think about Miss Rose here? You agree with me, right? Put up a comment, man. Let me ask about. Let's jump now to. So that's good. It's for good Friday. Nothing in the evening. Usually, as I said, the most sacred day.
Most church services would happen during the daytime.
And then the
I
evening
remember
time.
at the time I was an Anglican, and every Good Friday we would assemble at a big church, and the preacher would talk about the 7 words that Jesus said from the cross, and then they would have different presenters coming to talk about the seven statements that Jesus made. And after that, and the function ended, they would have a big feast of fish and bread
In the
and bun
evening.
and cheese and
Okay.
pork and chicken. Everything you could think of, it would just be there. Everybody would have a feast. But yes, it's after 3 o'clock, as Miss Rose said.
Yeah.
And as Miss Gloria said too, after 3 o'clock.
All
But
right. Oh, awesome. And guys, we have bun and cheese here too. You know, we can't talk about Good Friday. We talk about Easter and so we bring bun and cheese here. We're going to show you. We have a popular brand here and a nice. Yes. We have bun and cheese. We have bun and cheese. We're going to show. We're going to show.
Just go lock.
We're going to show off bun and cheese. How you mean, man? Let's jump to Easter Sunday now.
Oh, yes.
What do Jamaicans eat on Easter Sunday, Miss Rose?
No,
Traditionally.
it's like the rice and peas and chicken and whatever meat kind you have with your little vegetable and so forth. You know, in those days, they weren't so fussy, but the rice and peas has to be there.
And this is the
And common fowl.
this is the rice and peas. This is the red. When I say the peas here, would be the gungo peas or the red peas?
Any type of peas.
Okay.
Most likely is the red
The
peas.
red peas.
And
The
it
red
would
peas.
be
What do you call them? Peas?
red beans, they call
Red peas. They call them in the US. For those of you watching
or
the
kidney beans.
kidney beans. Okay.
Yes.
So it's a red pea. So it's a rice and peas and
And common fowl.
Common fowl. Okay.
Yes, common fowl
And-
meat, man.
and-
That was glammy and nice.
Oh, you think? So for those who don't know what is common fowl, tell them now. They're looking at, they're watching you, they're reading. They're listening.
No, it's not the chicken that you rear in the coop. Those fowls would be those chickens. What we call them
A
fowls.
fowl man, cause them tough.
Right.
Yeah.
But man, when you cook them, it takes so long.
Yeah.
And then when you take out peas, it's and you hold it in your hand, you have to go wash your hand. It come in like crazy glue.
Oh, gummy.
Very
Are they
gummy
good? Are they good?
and taste
And
good.
so these are the chicken now that you
raise in the yard.
domesticate, yeah. So you have them
Yes.
outside and they run up and down and they lay in the corner under the
Give
house
them
bottom.
corn
Eh,
to eat.
Yeah, and they lay
Yeah.
and they lay in the out in the what do you call it, the banana bush, banana
Yes,
root
man.
and everything. You get
Right.
the egg and but
I was
if
searching for the nests.
yeah,
Oh
but
my
you go
God.
search for the egg. But Easter time you make sure you one of them go and get
Yes,
sacrifice.
tie them up. Or if you have a little cook, you would put them in it and feed them extra.
Yeah.
Then the morning now that you're going to kill it now, like
feed them what?
Saturday
You give them enough-
morning after Good Friday, you would give them some vinegar. That cleans them out and make them pure and nice.
So how do you give them the vinegar now?
You just open their mouths and just pour it down.
And that would kind of clean them.
Cleanse them out. And,
Anything that they have are not so good.
well, that's it.
That's the same Saturday morning you're going to sacrifice them.
Yes. Sacrifice.
I deliberately use that word. So then you cook them, and then you do that and then you eat them.
Season them up overnight, man.
Hold on.
Yes.
Oh, for Sunday.
Yes.
Okay.
Because if you cook them Sunday morning, then the seasoning wouldn't, soak
Yes,
in them
yes,
properly.
Uh-huh.
And it's nice so that way.
Oh, and then you have a feast Sunday.
Oh my God, man.
No.
Then I was the
Oh man, I
Yes,
could tell.
man. That means, I am going to get the foot. One of the feet, as a matter of fact. And the head. First time we used to eat full head,
Me too.
Yes.
Yeah, we used to do
It's
a lot of.
nowadays
You
people
roast
are
the head. We
eating
used to roast
it.
the head, right?
Yes,
Roast
roast
the
it
head. Roast the
and
head.
have it. And it's
And this cold part really nice.
right
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you crack it, man, and it drain out, and it's so nice. Man.
Why you make Miss Gloria can't contain herself?
Oh, my
Alright,
dear.
yeah. So you used to eat some of them chicken food. Some of them you used to
Okay, like,
roasted chicken head.
no, never really that.
Mm.
You know, growing in Mobile, they have the old fowl still, cause so we call the old fowl. But you know, people, first time growing up, is this common fowl reality. But because of this white chicken coming out, me don't know. Me don't know if me could eat the common fowl again. They tell me got you. Me don't know. Me don't know.
You think they're nasty?
Right, but the thing like this, my mother, when we were in Mobile, my mother always do stew peas on Sunday.
Yeah.
When after, well, my mother never got church, in fact.
See,
But
hold
he
on.
send me.
I mean, not cut you. Oh, same man never really grew up like in church like me.
He go up in church, but when he go a man to go be a must turn bad woman. Not really say bad,
So
but
you,
I mean.
so you grew up in Mobile then, and come back to country after.
Yes, my
Alright.
school down there.
Okay,
You know
before-
Albion?
Yes, Albion.
I
Okay.
go to Albion
I
school.
see a town girl, man. A city girl. But good. I'm glad, Miss. I'm glad you come back to the country to get some
Yeah,
good
man.
country life.
Oh, Lord.
And this is the best life, you know.
But tell you man,
Oh, but
people give you all £5. I tell you something, in the country here, you will get £10 a carrot.
yeah.
You will get this, you will get that.
You get everybody share.
Nobody know that man to go. You can't
The
get-
country
you-
life.
You see when they come up here, all this come up here, you have to tell them one bag of food.
Country
And
life
then the
nice.
people them taking me and everybody looking in your hands.
What mechanism?
Yes.
Country life nice.
Yes, man.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you something about machine and stuff. What was I gonna ask you about the I think it was the chicken. Was it the chicken?
Stew peas and something was talking about and the chicken.
Yeah. So so we eat Sunday dinner. The Sunday dinner was it rice and peas and what about the drink? Oh, you know, man, it's the same.
Well, sometimes tell you facts are the matter, then time they never easier. Sometimes all the money will drink.
Oh, and in a mobile.
Blum-
In that side and stuff. But these people, Miss Rose and these people,
Look
them
here.
live big life, man. They don't drink none. What you drink, Miss?
My father used to be one of the best farmers.
Yeah.
So it's either carrot juice
Yeah.
with guineas and milk and nutmeg and all of that, or soursop juice. We used to have things, man.
Yes.
Things, because he has a lot of place, you know,
Yeah.
property.
And you say he was a baker too.
He was a baker.
But he have in the farming scene.
Right, and he used to make with sugar tea, you know.
Oh, I miss him, man. I miss him.
Yes,
I
he
miss him.
planted a lot of cane and,
And he had the grinder, where he have the horses
yes, the
going.
mill.
Oh, by the way, guys, we have a video. I did a video on that, you know, I told you.
No.
Yeah, man, I did a video with Mr. Boogs. There's a video, guys, and a link in the description. You can check the description. There's a link. I found a man who is supposedly probably one of the few remaining in Jamaica who does make wet sugar, we call it sugar the old time way, Jamaican
Right.
style, with the whole mill and the old and the horse and the old mill and the old bun. What do you call it? Big pot. The
Copper
copper pot.
Oh,
Yes.
There's a video in the link. If you want to watch it, go to the description. There's a link in
I
there.
need to watch it.
Yeah, you
because
gotta watch it.
bring back memories.
Yes, man.
I used to lick the horses, man.
Yeah.
Because the more you lick him, you know, is the more him gallop round the
Man,
mill.
Miss Rose, thank God you get saved. Thank God you get saved. Oh, so that's Easter Sunday. Easter, what about did you normally do the one like that like any entertainment and stuff on Easter Sunday? You
Well,
remember?
Easter Sunday, no, it's church because
after
yes.
I know church.
Christ the Lord was risen on
Yeah.
that day, and so we had to go to church. But here what happened? I find an opportunity to be rude in every situation when I was a child. There was this song, Up from the Grave He Arose. And because they rose in it, and I am rose, I always, when they start to sing, Up from the grave he arose, I was under the pew and dancing and doing that.
arose meaning
because
your
I
last name is-
didn't know what the rose in the song mean. I just heard rose and I thought it was my name, so I danced it.
Oh.
And man, I bend down under, I lie down under the pew and I would dance on the whole place. But you see, when my mother catch me,
Yeah.
it was something else.
Give it to you.
I had to stay beside her for the whole day.
So for the record, this is the same church you're going to, right?
Yes.
Same good Moravian church. Good Moravian
Oh
church.
yes, same church,
you're
man.
going. But you
Every time I go on sitting in that pew. I said, Jesus.
It's the
to
same.
me,
No, man, not the same. Not the same denomination, but the very same church.
the very same church.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, and I share it with my children too, and tell them that yes, I was that type of child, eat under the bench and do all kind of things. But there is coming a time
Yeah.
when you will have to get very serious.
Yeah.
And this is my serious time now.
Yes.
Yes, man.
But you learn to have mercy on the kids.
Well,
too.
yes, because you were doing the same thing.
Yes.
So when you see them doing it, you know you are to talk to them gentle and kind.
Yes.
Loving and everything.
Yes. And in fact, you in the previous video you told us that you actually mother like a whole heap of kids, like 10 kids or 20 kids, 40 kids. Or...
That's my mother.
Your mother, yeah.
My mother, but I don't remember the number of children that I mother here right now, but it's a lot.
Yeah.
Because when I go to school and I see them and you know the uniform is that so nice and knowing that I sew and so forth, I always have material, uniform material. So I would make uniform overnight and bring it to school and give it to them and call them in the staff room and let them try on, man, and they don't want to take it off back, so they're just going to their classes with it.
I wanted to ask you, I'm not sure if you know, but I'm going to ask you, ladies, and anyone you can answer. Do you know why Jamaicans, we celebrate, we eat bun and cheese at Easter? Do you know why?
I think it's an English tradition that we adopt.
English tradition, okay.
They have something called hot cross bun. But in my mind, I don't know if I'm right, Jamaicans love to fix things their own way.
Yeah.
Make it so hot cross bun to us is probably boring. I've seen it, I've tried. It's not as, great as our Easter bun. So we have the dark bun that we blend with the cheese and we enjoy.
A man, and has that, evolved over time.
Yeah.
And now we have the bun. If you see a Jamaican bun, I'm gonna show you shortly, guys. The bun with the whole heap of all kind of stuff in there.
Yeah.
You know. But if you know why we celebrate, if you know why Jamaicans, why we eat Easter bun, if you have more information, drop it in the comment, man. We want to learn. The more the merrier, right? Right. We learned. You just learned growing up eating bun, right?
Because for me, I felt so guilty a while ago when you say why, if we know why we eat Easter bun. And this idea just came to me. I should have known because we can research things. But what I'm saying is because traditionally people don't make up fire. They don't light stove on Good Friday. So bun and cheese maybe came in to replace the food that you would normally cook.
Yes.
I
believe so. I believe so too.
Right.
I believe so too.
Right.
I believe
but
so.
It could have another meaning.
So that's
how I feel.
No, man, I appreciate that. I'm depending on you guys who are watching to share some comments. What you know about bun and cheese in Jamaica and Easter? Talk about what about you and here, for those of you who have been here, who are here, have some good experiences or bad experiences. Want to hear from you, man. Share it in the comment below. But that's Easter, Jamaican style, right?
Oh yeah.
Anything else you want to add? Lovely ladies, the older ladies. This is a country lady who born here down right under the hills of St. Elizabeth here, and then this is Miss Gloria who grew up in Montego Bay, so she have a appreciation about the town life or the city life and the country life because she lives comfortably here, living comfortably here now. I will never go back to the city, right?
No, sorry, no, sorry.
All right, I want to thank you, wonderful ladies. I want to say thanks to
not so wonderful.
Keisha, Miss Gloria. You guys have been awesome. And star of the show, Miss Rose. Miss Rose, who hosted us nicely here at our beautiful home in Springfield, St. Elizabeth. This is North. Oh, Brighton. Brighton in North. What is this? Northeast St. Elizabeth?
Northwest
St. Elizabeth. Yes. And for our little baby here, it's very quiet on her tablet. Very nice.
She has her
She's
Easter
a sweetheart.
thing too, you know. This is a traditional Easter thing.
What?
You want to blow it for the gentleman, Taylor? Come.
Which one? Which one is that?
This thing here that she blows.
Uh-huh. We used to do that.
Oh, the bubble.
Yes, we used to do it when we were children.
Uh-huh.
Do it for the gentleman, Taylor.
Put
Put
down
on
the
the
put
tablet.
down. Come,
Yes.
come on, come on.
You
Be
used to
polite.
do, we used to do that?
Be polite.
Yeah, we used to do it, but we used to
I know
use
East-
grass straw.
Yes.
But it's not
And
just,
use
but it's
the
not just Easter though.
We used to do it in Easter and kite. Remember kite and
Yeah. In Easter.
Yes, kite flying time is Easter.
Oh,
Mommy.
all right. That's all right. But so kite flying time was Easter, you say?
Yeah,
I thought
kite
it was
flying
kind of
is-
like all year round.
because maybe the sun is
Too
is
so
dead.
yeah.
the
have to lively.
kite scene.
Just Easter we fly kite?
Not
Well, that's
really,
the
but
main
Easter
time.
time is
The main time.
Oh, this is
The
dead,
solution.
man, because it is
It's
when it's
yeah,
too
yeah,
long.
yeah.
It's dead. Hey.
All right. So and well on that note, actually, is there anything else for kids that kids used to do in Easter apart from the kite? The kite. I remember gig. We played
Oh,
gig.
they used to play a lot, spin the tops during Easter too.
Right.
What do you mean the top? The gig.
Gigs.
Gig.
Gig. Okay, I remember
Make
gig.
it go over the common
And
beside
upscotch.
us.
Oh, man.
Some
Up-
upscotch business.
upscotch,
too. Upscotch. You
upscotch.
got me something to you go there so and you take it up and you go. You know, make
Right, yes, man.
Oh,
You
the
just skip
upscotch.
over.
Oh my.
All right.
We
Well,
did a lot of the kite flying and the gig.
The gig and the
man, yes.
hopscotch.
You
We
have
did
here
that
just
at
put it.
school and
Oh
we did
my
that
God.
at home.
Right.
I remember us ripping our books apart, using our grandmother was a dressmaker, and we used to use the books, the book leaves, thread run the thread through it, and
Right.
use it to make the kite strings, and
Oh,
we would
yes.
run around the yard.
yes.
And I
The
don't
kite.
remember if it was that time we did windmills too, but we used to do a lot of those, you know.
With the corn, some looking thing.
Yeah, and
Yes.
then you would run and the bamboo and
Yeah.
there was a little star-shaped thing at the front, and when you run it around with it, it would spin.
It's
Like a
breeze
windmill,
mill, man.
yeah.
We used to call it
Breeze
breeze mill.
Who
Yes.
remember Breeze Mill?
You remember now?
We used to
They
run
get
with
it. We
the-
get it from the bamboo tree,
Yeah.
and then we would put the
Yes.
make it and
Yes.
put the knot on
Yes,
it, and
I'm-
then when it's spinning,
I am
so
so
man.
I am so thankful. The bam, I remember that one. Thank
know
you,
what
ladies.
again too?
Thank you. I remember. How I forget so much things. Well, we need something from my memory, man. Because,
You remember popping gun
yes.
with the bamboo joint
Yeah.
and the rose apple
Yes.
blossom? You just put it in it and put all 6, 7, 8 shot in it, man. But
Was it
boy,
rose apple?
rose apple,
Well,
the
man,
blossom.
whoa, what? Oh, that mean that mean you make the rose apple come to fruition?
No, it's the blossom.
Yes. No, but you know we did a video on rose apple last
Yeah,
week.
I saw it.
You saw
I
it?
saw it. Yes.
Guys, there's a link
I
in again
saw
in the
it.
description to that video. There's a lot of video we call it out here.
Man, I
The
tell
rose
you-
apple. By the way, you have rose apple down here?
No, not very near here.
Okay, but it's somewhere here.
Yes,
Yeah,
Okay.
somewhere,
it's in
somewhere.
the
Alright.
in the bush.
All right, so well, oh man, I was closing up, but it's you know what I mean. But guys, this is Jamaican Easter traditions. Wonderful ladies reminiscing, helping us reminisce on old time Jamaica, the good old times. How we enjoy Easter in Jamaica. I want to hear from you, man. I want to hear from you. Do you remember any of those? What we talk about? Share a comment. What was your favorite time? What was your main activity? What did you do? You know, what do you remember about Easter? Share a comment down below. But we're going to the bun now, you know, Miss
Yes,
lady.
ma'am,
Where the bun? Where the
bun
bun?
time.
Where the bun? I will show off the bun. Where is
I'm so
Sher?
into talking.
Where is Sher with the bun? Guys, we have the bun and cheese here.
Alright.
And Miss Rose is gonna make some space here on the table. What? Miss Rose, everything ready, man. Right now, Miss Rose.
man. Oh, you
This lady
mean
well
about
organized.
cheese
I tell you, I like this lady, man. This lady well organized. Nice little house. So comfy. So comfy and nice.
Yes.
Yes. Bun and cheese time. Yeah, so everybody want to get a little taste of the bun and cheese.
Right.
Okay.
The bun.
Are you want to get the cut? Alright.
Okay.
Keisha, come in with the bun, guys.
Taste the cheese.
Alright.
Oh, yummy.
It's yummy. Free promotion for you, Yummy. Free
it.
promotion for you, Yummy.
better say
Yummy, you
one
need to
for
reach
that.
out to us here now, Yummy. And Tasty. But these are wonderful brands.
Tasty.
Yeah, tasty cheese and yummy bun.
There's actually
HTB as
an
well.
article on this one.
Yeah. There's an article we did on there. You actually did
On
that.
tasty.
Yeah, it's an
And
article as well.
Cheese in Jamaica.
Cheese in Jamaica. Link in the description as well. But these are two celebrated brands, guys. That
Yes,
we
it's true.
have have stood the test of time. Go ahead and up the bun, man. We show off the bun.
All over.
Show off the bun, Miss. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna wipe off the bun. Wipe off the box. This is funny. This is funny. Yeah.
So you need the opener for the
Yes.
cheese.
Oh, okay. You can't want me quiche?
Yeah. Okay.
So while we're preparing the bun and cheese here, guys, you're far away. We're not able to physically taste it, right? But we're gonna
We'll tell them how
we're gonna
good
share it
is.
virtually, right? We're gonna share. I'm gonna cut piece for you and put it aside and say this is for you. How is that? How is that?
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan. And Keisha cutting. This is how we cut the cheese. We cut the cheese
I have
here.
a cute way to cut it, but I'm not that smart.
No,
I
you
have a way
are.
to hack off
Like
the
with
edge.
the knife and,
Yeah.
and yes.
To hack
Okay.
off there.
Okay, that's a beautiful cheese here.
I can.
I'm not really a cheese person, but we'll see how it goes today.
Okay.
Alright, and that's the bun. That's the Easter bun.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh, you need something to drop out the cheese in.
Oh,
Okay.
alright, so that's it. Oh, we should take a picture of this bun here.
Yummy.
Yeah,
You
man.
should smell it.
Yeah, well, it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. Nice. We're gonna picture here. Wow, this is beautiful. Alright, that's the
Let me
cheese
see
plate.
if I'm any good at this.
No, what you should have done. Oh, it's coming out.
There.
Wow,
Oh,
broke it
no
off.
problem.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, you should have done it like this. Beat
Knock
it
it-
down
knock
in
it
the,
first.
on
Oh,
the edges.
Yes, yeah.
Go right around.
I'm a new coolie.
Oh my God.
Put it, you can put it in there.
That's it off.
We're gonna
But
use
just
it now.
take it.
Okay. Alright, good. So that's the cheese and cutting up the bun here.
Big slice me, do you?
Yeah, no problem, man. No problem, man. We have a few of us here, so the entire team is here, guys. We have Vin is here, and Sherry's here. You know them, man, from the website side. They write a lot of the articles. They're here. And of course, somewhere. And Keisha is here. And of course, Miss Rose cutting up. Miss Gloria. Can't wait to see her mouth. And the baby is here with our tablet. We're gonna enjoy bun and cheese, Jamaican style.
Okay.
Alright.
I only hope this can share, you know.
No man, you can't. I want to that, Miss Rose.
Prepare a slice for your friends.
Yeah, man. We have enough bun and cheese here, man. Alright, so we're cutting up. You're like an expert,
Tidying
man.
up my bag. Can I take one of these first?
Yes, man, yeah. You can take the pack so that whoever wants.
Okay.
I'm gonna take
If it was the big, if it was the other cheese now, then we would have cut it
The other way,
this way in
Yes.
in
That's fine.
pegs.
That's fine.
Yeah, it
But
takes
anyhow,
and then do
that's
the,
fine. That's fine. I welcome your questions. If you have any questions for us, guys, you're watching. Marine coming back. Any questions for us? Go ahead and drop it there. We'll definitely come back and respond to your question. Anything related to Jamaican traditions or bun and cheese in Jamaica, Jamaican Easter traditions, I meant to say, and bun and cheese and all them kind of stuff here. Keisha, let's take time cleaning up the pot. Catch her, you know, catch her. Caught on camera, man. Caught on camera. Lick out the bun pan. Man. Oh, by the way, we used to use this pan here for other purpose. Right? We used to use this.
yes.
We used to use the cheese pan for
To baking.
bacon stuff. Yeah,
Yes.
right?
Just
Yeah.
convert it to a lot of uses around the house.
Yes.
Oops.
All right. So, who is first? Who's that? Miss
You
Gloria.
soon see who first. You know worry yourself, man. You know worry yourself. You soon see who first.
Yeah, rain is coming now. Rain is coming now with the clothes out.
God.
As a blessing, as a blessing.
Come on, help yourself.
I love that.
Come on, help yourself.
The fire one, everybody the fire one. I love that. Come ladies, come on enjoy the bun and cheese. Come on in the man, come on. Come Miss Gloria, come on, come.
Miss Gloria.
Come Miss Gloria.
Oh, I
Miss
forgot the baby's name.
Kalia.
Kalia.
Miss
But I for sure know what the back.
We'll share and then.
My favorite area is the back.
Okay.
Have
Oh,
the back.
me too in a fish.
Is it back too?
Yeah, I
Okay,
love
so
the
there are
back.
two ends. I'll save an end for you.
Okay, good. Now I love the back.
I usually, when I cut the bun now, I leave the back to put on the
To protect it
the
if you're not
part
gonna
that
have it
yeah,
all
yeah.
at once.
it doesn't
Alright, so you're gonna miss everybody say fifty years say the pan. Oh, Keisha, you volunteering to give them?
No,
Everybody on the moon.
I'm just
help
saving.
thyself.
Oh, that's a baby.
Miss
Alright.
Rose is the boss of the house and she can help yourself. So I'm following the
Benisha.
boss.
Hi, Benisha.
Follow the lead.
And that's it. Yeah. Alright, so.
Except somebody should help the baby.
Yeah. Baby.
Okay, Miss Susie.
Miss Rose, say the pan you won't.
Taylor girl.
Alright.
Nice girl.
Alright, good. Alright, guys, so that's bun and cheese. Easter time in Jamaica. We love it.
Oh,
My
this is
piece
nice
to
and
show them
nice.
the piece that you save for them.
Yeah, oh yes. Oh, thank you, Keish. Yes. Alright, so Keish, do me a favor. Just cut a nice piece and put on for this person watching right now. Who is not able to physically.
Miss Gloria.
Let me put. Alright, so this is for my party, my peeps watching right now. My friend, this is for you, alright? This is for you. I'm gonna put it aside here. We're not gonna trouble that. I promise you, we're gonna keep an eye on Miss Rose.
Please. Oh dear.
Keish, put a nice piece of cheese for them, fair man. So remove that piece of cheese, Keish.
Oh, you can take off that piece.
Yeah.
Shall reach it better.
Alright. Alright, good. Alright, good.
Use the partner.
And the rain is coming right at celebration time.
Man,
It's a blessing.
blessing.
It's a blessing.
Wow.
It's a blessing. Alright, to God with the glory. As we reminisce Jamaican Easter traditions. And this is for you, my friend. Guys, we won't give it too much because bun have a lot of calories too. So we have watch your weight.
Yeah, we'll see.
Alright, so that's yours. That's it. Bun and cheese.
Don't get here.
Miss Gloria, the panel one. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you so much. It's lovely. We have learned a lot. Easter traditions.
Yeah.
Jamaican Easter traditions.
Hip, hip.
Hooray! That's it, my friend. Jamaica Easter traditions. Courtesy of Miss Rose and her friend. And the rest of us. Man, lovely, wouldn't you say? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. What I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you enjoyed this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my new videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.